Every week developers release new open-source GitHub projects that solve real development problems and improve everyday workflows. This weekly GitHub project update helps you quickly discover practical tools without spending hours searching. Top trending open-source GitHub projects this week bring useful solutions for AI agents, security, automation, and local developer tools, so you can find what actually helps your work. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1. Superpowers Agent Workflow Framework for Coding Assistance. Superpowers is an agentic skills framework and development workflow that guides coding agents through structured software creation instead of ad hoc code generation. It works as a plugin-based system that integrates with environments like Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, and OpenCode, where predefined skills automatically activate during conversations. The agent first extracts requirements, produces a validated design, creates detailed implementation plans, and then executes tasks using sub-agents with test-driven development and review checkpoints. Work happens locally inside the developer's existing project workflow, enforcing consistent engineering practices. It helps developers who rely on AI agents build reliable software with clearer processes. Explore it by enabling the plugin in your coding agent. Project number 2. Trivy, Unified Security Scanner for Cloud and Containers. Trivy is an open-source security scanning tool that helps developers find vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, secrets, and license risks across containers, file systems, repositories, and cloud infrastructure. It works as a CLI that analyzes images or code locally and compares them against curated vulnerability databases to produce actionable reports. Trivy integrates with CI pipelines, Kubernetes workflows, and container registries, allowing automated checks during development and deployment. It matters for teams building modern cloud applications who need simple security checks without complex setup. Run a scan locally and see what risks exist in your stack. Project number 3. Trackers, Plug-and-play multi-object tracking for vision pipelines. Trackers is a Python computer vision library that provides modular implementations of popular multi-object tracking algorithms that work with any detection model. It solves the problem of connecting object detection outputs to reliable tracking without building custom logic. Developers run it through a CLI or integrate it directly into Python pipelines, where detections are updated into tracked identities with trajectories and metrics. It supports videos, webcams, and streams while enabling evaluation with standard MOT benchmarks. This helps vision engineers quickly add tracking to existing models. Try integrating it into your detection workflow. Project number 4. Composio SDK, Tool Infrastructure for Building Actionable AI Agents. Composio is a developer SDK that provides tool access, authentication, context handling, and execution environments for AI agents. It addresses the challenge of connecting agents safely to external services by offering searchable toolkits and a sandboxed workbench where actions run with managed credentials. The SDK works across JavaScript, Python, and TypeScript environments and connects agents to real applications through standardized integrations. Execution happens through controlled tool calls rather than raw API wiring, simplifying agent development. It is useful for developers building production AI agents that perform real tasks. Explore it to connect your agent to real tools. Project number 5. Rowboat, Local AI Coworker, powered by Knowledge Graphs. Rowboat is an open-source AI coworker application that builds a persistent knowledge graph from emails, meetings, and notes to help users act on their work context. It runs locally and converts captured information into structured markdown knowledge that the agent uses for drafting documents, preparing meetings, and generating artifacts like briefs or slides. The system connects with services such as Gmail and calendars, while keeping processing on the user's machine. This matters for professionals who want long-term memory without cloud dependency. Install it locally and let your workflow become searchable and actionable. Project number 6. Gogcli Trash Command Line Client for GOG Game Libraries. Gogcli is a command line interface tool that allows users to interact with their GOG account and manage game downloads directly from the terminal. It solves the need for automation and scripting around game library access by providing authenticated access, metadata retrieval, and download handling through CLI commands. The tool integrates with local environments and workflows, enabling scripted installs or backups without graphical tools. Execution happens locally using account credentials and standard file system operations. It is useful for developers and power users who prefer terminal-based workflows. Try managing your library entirely from the command line. Project number 7, Agent-Gate, gateway layer for connecting AI agents to tools. Agent-Gate is a developer framework that acts as a gateway between AI agents and external services, helping agents securely access APIs and workflows. It addresses the complexity of tool integration by standardizing how agents discover and execute actions across connected platforms. The system runs as a middleware layer that manages requests, permissions, and execution flow between agent reasoning and real operations. Developers use it to build agents that interact with multiple services without custom integrations each time. This matters for teams experimenting with agent architectures. Use it to simplify how your agents access real systems. Project number 8, Spacebot, concurrent AI agent orchestration for teams. Spacebot is an AI agent platform designed for multi-user environments, where agents run concurrently instead of sequentially. It functions as an orchestration layer that manages channels, workers, and memory while coordinating long-running agent tasks across communities and teams. The system runs locally or via hosted setups, exposes a web interface, and integrates with messaging platforms while maintaining structured memory objects and event streams. Workers execute autonomous loops and report progress through channels in real time. It helps teams run persistent collaborative agents, deploy it, and experiment with concurrent agent workflows. Project number 9, Comark Common Mark Parser Library for Hacks. Comark is a Common Mark compatible Markdown parsing library written for the Hacks ecosystem. It solves the need for standardized Markdown processing by providing a reusable implementation that converts Markdown text into structured output following the Common Mark specification. Developers integrate it into Hacks applications to render or transform Markdown consistently across platforms. Processing happens locally inside applications without external services, making it suitable for editors, documentation tools, or static generators. It matters for Hacks developers needing reliable Markdown support. Add it to your project to handle Markdown parsing cleanly. Project number 10, Backtest-Lite, lightweight framework for trading strategy simulation. Backtest-Lite is a minimal trading backtesting tool that lets developers simulate strategies against historical market data to evaluate behavior before execution. It focuses on a simple workflow where strategies run through predefined datasets and produce performance outputs for analysis. The system runs locally and emphasizes clarity over heavy infrastructure, making experimentation straightforward. Developers can test logic, validate assumptions, and iterate quickly without complex trading platforms. This is useful for learners and builders exploring algorithmic trading ideas. Run a strategy locally and observe how it performs over past data. Project number 11, Droidclaw, Android-controlled toolkit for AI agents. Droidclaw is a developer tool that allows AI agents to control and interact with Android devices through structured actions instead of manual automation scripts. It works by exposing device capabilities such as taps, navigation, and app interaction through programmable interfaces that agents can call during execution. The system connects with Android debugging environments and runs locally, enabling agents to observe screen state and perform tasks step by step. It helps researchers and developers experiment with autonomous mobile workflows safely, connect an agent, and start automating Android interactions. Project number 12, Imsg, lightweight terminal messaging client for local communication. Imsg is a command-line messaging tool that enables simple peer communication directly from the terminal. It focuses on fast local or network messaging without complex setup by providing a minimal interface for sending and receiving messages between users or processes. The tool runs locally and integrates naturally with shell workflows, allowing automation or scripting around message exchange. It is useful for developers who want lightweight communication inside terminal environments. Run it in your terminal and exchange messages instantly. Project number 13, TinyClaw, minimal agent framework for autonomous task execution. TinyClaw is a lightweight agent framework designed to help developers build autonomous AI workflows with minimal configuration. It provides a small runtime where agents reason, call tools, and execute tasks through defined action loops. The system runs locally and emphasizes simplicity, allowing experimentation without large orchestration stacks. Pratas 4 and 5. Developers integrate models and tools while maintaining clear control over execution flow and state. It matters for builders exploring agent design concepts or prototypes. Start a small agent workflow and iterate quickly. Project number 14, Voicebox, local voice interface for AI assistants. Voicebox is a developer tool that creates a voice interface layer for AI assistants by handling speech input, transcription, and audio output locally. It connects microphones and speakers with language models so conversations can happen through natural speech instead of text interfaces. Processing runs on the user's machine and integrates with existing AI backends through configurable pipelines. This helps developers add conversational voice capabilities without building audio handling from scratch. Set it up locally and interact with your assistant by voice. Project number 15, Agent-env, environment management for AI agent workflows. Agent-env is a configuration and runtime environment tool that helps developers manage variables, credentials, and execution context for AI agents. It standardizes how agents access environment settings so workflows remain reproducible across projects and machines. The system integrates with local development setups and loads configuration automatically during agent execution, reducing manual setup. It matters for developers building agents that rely on multiple services or tools. Add it to your workflow to keep agent environments consistent. Project number 16, Litter, simple terminal file sharing over local networks. Litter is a command line utility that allows users to share files quickly between devices on the same network without external services. It works by starting a lightweight local server that generates a shareable link so others can download files directly through a browser. Transfers happen peer-to-peer within the local network, keeping data private and fast. It is useful for developers and teams who need quick file exchange during collaboration. Run it and share files instantly on your network. Project number 17, Sandbox-agent, secure execution environment for AI agents. Sandbox-agent is a development framework that provides isolated environments where AI agents execute code safely. It solves the risk of unrestricted execution by running agent actions inside controlled sandboxes with defined permissions and resources. Developers connect agents to the sandbox through APIs, allowing tasks such as code generation or automation to run without affecting the host system. Execution happens locally or in managed environments depending on setup. It helps teams experiment with autonomous agents securely. Use it to test agent actions inside a safe boundary. Project number 18, QuickHub, fast GitHub workflow automation from the terminal. QuickHub is a command line tool that simplifies common GitHub operations such as repository setup and workflow management directly from the terminal. It reduces repetitive manual steps by wrapping GitHub interactions into streamlined commands that integrate with local development workflows. Authentication and execution happen locally while communicating with GitHub services through APIs. It is useful for developers who prefer terminal-first project management. Install it and manage repositories faster from your shell. Project number 19, Termcast. Share live terminal sessions through the browser. Termcast is a developer tool that streams a live terminal session to a web interface so others can watch commands and output in real time. It works by capturing terminal activity locally and broadcasting it through a lightweight server accessible from a browser. This enables demonstrations, debugging, collaboration, or teaching without screen sharing software. Execution remains on the host machine while viewers observe remotely. It helps developers share workflows clearly. Start a session and let others follow your terminal live. Project number 20, Automaton, framework for building structured autonomous agents. Automaton is an agent development framework that helps developers design autonomous systems using structured state machines and workflows. It provides abstractions for defining states, transitions, and actions so agent behavior becomes predictable and testable. The framework integrates with AI models while maintaining explicit control over execution logic and decision flow. It runs locally and fits into Python development environments focused on experimentation and research. This matters for developers seeking reliable agent behavior beyond prompt loops. Build a state-driven agent and explore controlled autonomy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next update.